like that's food and barbecue. So I watched Rebecca and John's video. They have a channel called CastIronSkillet, and they made roasted peanuts. They just used regular roasted salted peanuts and they put some flavoring to that. I thought that looks fun, I'm gonna do that. So let me show you my 3 or 4 versions, whatever it is in the end. Okay, so I've got a glass jar with 2 cups of regular roasted peanuts, and first test I'm gonna make is chipotle cheddar hot and smoky dip mix. And then I'm just gonna put the lid on and shake it for a bit. And I got a roasting pan lined with some paper. Just gonna spread this out. And into the oven they go. Okay, second flavor. I've got 3 tablespoons of El Yucateco green jalapeno sauce. I'm gonna add a little bit at a time and then try to get them all coated. Shaky, shaky. There we go. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of chipotle pepper to these and try to get that on there. Last but not least, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Let's shake this. There we go. Let's try this. I'm going to do it in the order I made them. So first off, I'm going to try the cheese flavored ones. It's got that slightly clingy cheese doodle thingy to it with peanut underneath. Well, actually really good. And I'm going to try the hot ones. Probably should not try them second, but I will anyway. Here we go. You can definitely taste the jalapeno in there. It's got a hot flavor, but I didn't make them overly hot apparently. But they're hot. Okay, so last I'm gonna try the sweetened ones. Those were really nice as well. I like the sweetness. The garlic means Helen is gonna have some as well. And of course, make sure to visit Rebecca and John over at CastIronSkillet to see how they made theirs. Thank you for watching. Bye.